A modern, black single-story house nestled in a lush forest features a metal roof and large windows. A gravel driveway and ferns surround the porch, creating a serene, rustic charm. This modern two-story white house with black accents sits in a serene forest. Warm lights glow on the balcony and porch, while a gravel path winds through the lush, leafy backdrop. A modern white two-story home with a dark accent wall rests in the woods. Warm lights illuminate the wooden porch and gravel drive, highlighting the balcony and lush, green scenery. This modern white forest home features a black door and large windows reflecting the trees. A wooden staircase and stone path lead through the garden on a peaceful, slight incline. An angular, modern white two-story house stands out against a verdant forest. Warm yellow lights glow across the gravel drive and patio, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Bathed in natural light, this modern white house features a black roof and door. A gravel path leads to a small porch and white patio, all nestled in a tranquil forest setting. This white forest home features a patio with a wooden table, sofa and stone path. A large glass door reveals a cozy fireplace inside, framed by a striking black accent wall. An elevated white house features an open-air living area with a wooden deck and bookshelf. Bathed in soft light, the serene space includes a dining set and a charming garden. A modern black house with a metal roof is hidden in a dense forest. A white stone pathway leads to the wooden door, surrounded by tall trees that create a tranquil atmosphere. This minimalist white house features a striking wooden deck and a black door. A stone path crosses the grass, leading to a home nestled among tall trees and a peaceful forest. A white single-story home with a black roof features a wooden door and a porch adorned with flowers. A gravel drive leads to the house, framed by lush greenery and tall trees. This modern white house features a black roof and a porch with a small table and chairs. A gravel driveway and garden surround the home, set within a serene and tranquil forest. This white two-story home features a glass balcony and a dark roof. A lush lawn, pine trees, and a rock-bordered pond create an inviting scene along the paved forest driveway. A black forest house with a wooden roof features a large window revealing a cozy interior. A concrete patio and stairs lead to the home, surrounded by lush grass and greenery. This modern white house features a wooden deck with a sofa, fire pit, and mounted TV. Stone paths wind through a glowing, well-lit garden nestled in the heart of a lush forest.